All right, everybody, what's going on? It's JP Morgan. We're back with another video. It has been a long time coming since we uploaded a video. I just wanted to give everybody an update on what my positions are, what my positions have been the last couple of days. I'm not going to stretch too far back because I've been a ghost for about almost a year now, actually. But I wanted to give an update on the most recent trade I took. Obviously, those in the Wick City Telegram channel know that I bought Bitcoin. Let me just check real quick what my entry was, 38.4. Just want to go over why exactly it was that I bought at 38.4. I was looking at these wicks here. Let me just bring that circle out. If this thing would decide to work. And of course, it's not going to work. So let's use another one. Lips. There. I use another one there. Oh, it's ugly. And then I was looking at this being the third area for a bounce, and that's kind of exactly what we were looking at. Not necessarily these wicks in particular, but these pairs of candles, bear bull, and then bear bull. That's what I was looking at, and that's why I bought. We got a spike for about 3,000 pips. We had bought at 38.4 and sold and exited our position at 41.4K. I had sent a message out in the Telegram channel a few days ago stating I was looking to short Bitcoin at 42, that I would take it by ear, basically just playing it by ear, checking how price action was reacting to the spike up. And sure enough, we did end up getting that spike up. Just to lower the time frames and show you guys exactly what I was talking about. These reversals, they weren't major, but we ended up seeing rejection at these levels at the 42 area. I don't feel like it's going to hold, and that was the third rejection that I was looking for right here. This is the final rejection I was waiting for, where price reached that area again, because as you can see, this has been a weak spot for Bitcoin overall. If we just mark that, price hit the area consistently, never maintained price above it. It hasn't for almost 3 months now. So of course, I know ads pop up, but this is my current position. I'm in a short at the moment. I do believe we're selling off pretty aggressively moving forward. I don't think that this was a genuine bullish move for Bitcoin. I don't see Bitcoin being bullish for quite a while. If we back out to the daily chart, you see this gray box that I have here. That's a void that has yet to be filled. Anybody that's been on the channel for some time knows that I've gone over this specific price region for quite a while. That candle in particular, rebounding there, never breaking below and filling that. That's what I understand to be a void that has yet to be filled. And I'm still looking at 20,000 as being a price point where we still have to reach before we get any real bullish upside movement past that 70,000 or even higher than that. But I'm still waiting on 20,000. I do believe our next move is going to be pretty aggressive move downward. I feel like from here at 42, I shorted Bitcoin to be exact. My entry is 41.3K. So around this area, exactly where my red line is, which has been here for some months, actually almost a year and a half now. Again, price has just been playing ping pong back and forth. It's not anything that's really changed, but we have to check price points on a lower time frame pretty consistently, because I do feel like if we do break below this 36, we're going under 29. And once we break under 29, I feel like we're going to free fall to 2019. A lot of people disagree, don't really care. Haven't really been wrong much about this for quite some time. We can see on these lower time frames, price again has rejected all upside movement past 42, 43, 44. It hasn't really been able to maintain. If we back out again to those higher time frames, these show up just as wicks. All of these show up as wicks to the downside. If we back out to the weekly, I take all of these bearish pins to be extremely weak spots for Bitcoin. Weak, 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 weak. This is entire zone of weakness right here for Bitcoin. And I do feel like we're not going to be pushing past anywhere up here. Hence my short, hence my bearish bias. And I do feel like we will break below that 29 region and free fall to this area. Whether it happens today, tomorrow, next week, next month, who knows? I'm in it and I'm waiting. But I just wanted to give a quick update on the current position of Bitcoin. Again, a lot of people disagree, but I hope this goes viral so a lot of people can check it out down the line and see, you know what? It actually happened. 2 years in the making.